Hello crafty people and welcome to my channel. We are on day 2 of the Gina K Designs 12 Days of Christmas unboxing. I do have a playlist for all of the episodes. You can check that out over in the description box or on my blog at egidesigns.com. And so let's get into it. So yesterday we had that beautiful ornate frame. So I'm excited to see what else is in here in store for us. Let's see. Here's our number 2. Should we guess what it is? I'm trying to look through the package. Let's see. Maybe stamp sets? I don't know. Trying to look for familiar blobs. Alright, so let's see what it is for day 2. Oh my goodness! How cute is this? This is called a paper hug, and it's got a lot of friends hugging. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to think if these are whale. I want these to be narwhals, but I think they are whales. Looks like raccoons and foxes. And there's hearts, it's birthday wishes, love, bestie, BFF, you're my one and only, sending you a paper hug. Oh, it's so cute. And it has the die set to match. So this would be really great. You could even, with the frame from yesterday, you could make a little scene in there, like a little friendship card. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. Alright, awesome. So when I do make projects with the contents of the 12 Days of Christmas calendar, I will put that in the playlist as well. Join me tomorrow for day 3. We'll see what's going on there. Maybe you could guess what it is. Anyway. If you enjoyed the video today and you'd like to support my channel, I would love it if you could hit that like button and also consider subscribing. And if you want to stick around, I will put up top my card making playlist for some additional inspiration, and I will put the link to this playlist so you can go back and watch other episodes if you missed them. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.